Would you like me to rate your PC build? So this viewer on TikTok did, and this is the list that he sent me. So I did I calculated the pricing of the individual parts, and all in all, based on my calculation, I got the price at 2,655. He's saying that he's paying 2,349 for all the parts, so he's actually getting a $300 discount from what I'm able to calculate. So it's pretty good pricing. But I'm asking myself, at $2,350, there are some things that I don't really like. Can I make it better? So instead, I sent him this list for around the same budget. So most of the things is the same: 7700 CPU. The motherboard, I changed it to a B650 instead of B850. For the AIO, he had a 360mm LCD screen one. I downgraded it to a 240 because that's more than enough to cool a 7700, and I just skipped the aesthetics and saved the money, so it's only $60. Then the 5070 Ti, I went with a slightly cheaper version. MSI, it's also from MSI, but 1,229. And with all those money saved, I channel it into upgrading his SSD. So from a 1TB NVMe SSD to a 2TB NVMe SSD. Then the power supply, I also changed it to a tier B power supply instead of his previously selected one, which is a tier C. So tier B can better safeguard your expensive GPU. The casing, I changed it entirely from the expensive Lianli casing. I changed it to the Fantex XT View. It comes with 3 ARGB fans at a really good price at 99 Sing dollars. And I included an extra Bluetooth dongle because this motherboard doesn't have Bluetooth. Then all this for a price of 2,297. So I spent less money, and actually I managed to get slightly higher performance in a way by giving extra 1TB of NVMe capacity. But can we do even better than this around the same budget? So even at around the same budget, so now rather than going with the 5070 Ti, I changed the GPU out for a 9070 XT, which only cost 989 instead of 1,200 plus. So that extra savings we could channel into the CPU, and I managed to get a 7800 X3D, and everything else is the same at $2,325. So if you compare this 2,325 to his original price of 2,349, it is basically the same. So at the same price, I could get a similarly performing GPU from AMD, and with the extra money, I could actually upgrade it to the CPU to 7800 X3D, which is a way better CPU for higher FPS performance.